guys, welcome to another video, and today our topic is how to become a confident woman. Okay. So being a confident person is not just a one click that you would love to talk in front of the people and you say I'm confident. It's not like that, okay? It takes a long practice and patience in order for you to do that way, okay? This in a short period. It's a prolonged time that I got the confidence in speaking in front of the camera. It took me 6 years in order for me to gain the confidence that I have right now, okay? So, our topic for today is to practice confidence accordingly, to become more confident. Okay, number one, practice confidence. Okay, so I have practiced my confidence. Doing live streaming from time to time in YouTube, okay, it encourages me to talk from time to time with different people around the globe. I got the courage to, from time to time, do public speaking. Okay, in front of the people. Okay, and then accordingly is about harnessing your own unique. Okay, unique ka dapat. Hindi ka copycat, okay? Harnessing your own unique internal power. It's what allows you to wow friends, dazzle parties, and excel in school and work. So I remember then when I was in college days, I'm very much confident. I'm talking with people from time to time. So, kahit saan kanto dyan, kausapin ko kung sinong gusto kong kausapin. So, I don't care what the other people may say, right? So, you have to practice, okay? It means believing in yourself and in your abilities. Not in an arrogant way, but in a realistic, secure way, okay? So, yun guys. Para maging kumpiyansa ka, i-practice mo. And, huwag ka maging arrogant. You have to, yung uniqueness mo, show uniqueness, okay? And then number 2 accordingly is to acquire new skills, okay? Acquire new skills since confidence is often directly linked to abilities, okay? One of the best way to build your confidence is to get new skills, okay? There are many ways to acquire skills accordingly. Build your confidence in smaller areas to improve your overall self-esteem, okay? Like, accordingly, attend professional development training, yes. What helps me is I love reading books, personality development books, okay? So, I keep on buying books that can help me boost my confidence and it teaches me how to deal with people, personal or via social media. Then number 3 accordingly is to dress nicely. Take care of how you dress, okay? Similar to the above point, dressing nicely improves how you feel about yourself. So we're getting the guys from Google. Okay, and next is exercise. Okay, so of course if you do the exercise, ma-detoxify guys maalis yung mga negativities sa utak mo. So you will feel the confidence. You will become positive person. Do exercise, do walking every day. And then number 5 is accordingly is practice gratitude. When you practice gratitude, it takes your mind off to the things that tend to sap your confidence. Okay? And puts your focus on all the good things in your life. Yes. Tinatanggal natin ang negativity. We're just encouraging or inviting the positive things in our life. Practicing gratitude is essential for mastering your own emotion because you cannot feel fearful and grateful simultaneously. Yes. By taking a few moments each day to reflect on the things that you're grateful for, can shift your focus away from insecurities. Yes, that's very true. Kung happy ka so kung anong meron ka, you will never feel insecure to other people. Okay? So, mas magiging supportive ka sa kanila kung nakikita mo, oh, this person is doing good. I will support this person. Okay? And then, accordingly, is supportive self-talk. The final key component of confidence is how we talk to ourselves. Okay? Our inner dialogue has a profound impact on how we view ourselves. Minsan, nagkakaroon tayo ng self-doubt, pero do not listen to that. Always listen to the positive side of life or the positive thoughts that it's always entertain the positive thoughts in your head, right? And accordingly, feel confident. Believe in yourself and your choices to feel more confident. If you constantly apologize even for trivial things, okay? Ayan, it's a kind of what we call this? Lack of confidence kapag may pinupost ka, I'm sorry for the ganito. No, you shouldn't feel sorry. Okay? You don't need to feel sorry to other people kasi we are human. We are capable of experiencing fault. Like, diba? Hindi mo naman kailangan maging perfect eh. Ako din. Diba, from time to time, nag-speak ako in front of the camera. I have a lot of errors and minsan grammar. So, do not feel sorry for every error that you commit. Okay? Hindi ka magiging confident doon. Hayaan mo lang yun. Wala namang taong perfecto, right? Taking time to assess your needs can help you to identify what makes you feel good about yourself. Practices such as mindfulness and gratitude, okay? Instead, spend time with family and friends who inspire you to push to be your best self. Tama. Okay? Focus on strength. Confidence is a belief in your own abilities and sense of self-worth. Feeling confident can have a wide range of positive impact into your world. Okay? Accordingly, confidence is the secret ingredient that propels you to reach your potentials and conquer challenges. That unwavering beliefs allow you to pursue your dreams. Okay? So, make an eye contact accordingly. If you want to become confident, make an eye contact, okay? So, there are people who are talking in front of the camera, but they cannot see. I don't know. They do not know the focus of the camera. So, it's important that you have to know where's the camera, because when you talk, as if that you are talking with the people, as if that you are talking or educating people, right? Make an eye contact. Hold someone gaze with you when you're talking to them. Show dominance. Hold someone gaze when you're talking to them, show dominance. Okay? Making an eye contact at important moments in conversation with the person you're speaking to not only makes you exude confidence, but shows friendliness. Yeah, that's very important, guys. Picture yourself succeeding. Ayan. If you want to become a confident person, you have to picture yourself that you're succeeding in the days to come, okay? Positive affirmation are a great way to center yourself and keep you from ruminating on situation beyond your control. Okay? You can shape it by regular working to shape the way you think and yourself, right? Practice saying no. If you want to become a confident person, practice saying no. You don't have to agree to everything, of course. Having boundaries and saying no when you feel you need to sign a self-respect. Saying no can often feel we're disappointing friends or family members. However, overwhelming yourself with responsibility will make you feel confident. Okay, ako. I feel that I'm already confident. Kasi pag may bagay ako na ayaw ko, I will say no. No, hanggang dyan na lang. It's enough. Okay. And then take risks accordingly. If you want to become a confident person, take risks. If you always do things as you've always done to them, of course, you won't feel confident. Okay? Take a little risk. If you're wondering how to be confident, it's important to start small. Yes. It's important to start small. Mahirap maging confident. Kasi, baka isipin ng ibang tao that you're arrogant, but you're just trying to be you. You're just trying to show your uniqueness, okay? You just want to impart what you want to impart to people. You want to educate, okay? Accordingly, use body language. Believe it or not, your body language plays a huge role in how confident you feel and how your others perceive you, of course. Acknowledge your achievement, of course. To become confident, you have to acknowledge your achievement, okay? When you hit your goals, don't brush them off, downplay, okay? You have to celebrate every accomplishment that you made in your life. Even it's a little small, okay? Confidence is critical whether you want to change your life or influence the world around you. Be cocky daw, guys. Cocky is so confident and sure of their abilities that they annoy the other people. There are people who like that. Those people who are insecure, okay? So they will feel that you're cocky. Okay? And then be critical to others accordingly. Okay, body language is a indicator of confidence. When you interact with others, be sure to keep your head and chin up, stand up straight, okay? It's the bearing. Alam niyo guys, pag nag-exercise kayo, yung bearing niyo may improve. Okay? Be patient with yourself. Doesn't happen overnight, okay? Kung hindi kayo confident, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to practice. If you want to talk in front of the camera, of course, you have a lot of friends who are also good. They have the talent, but they have to start to practice para maano sila. Okay? Masanay na. Create a growth mindset accordingly. What thoughts do you focus on feeling confident? Are those thoughts limited to prior to success only? Okay? Instead of believing that your abilities are fixed traits, individuals with growth mindset see challenges as opportunity to learn. Kagaya din yan ng expand your comfort zone, diba? Expand your comfort zone accordingly. Be stepping outside the comfort zone, familiar routines and experiences. Individuals can challenge themselves to grow and adapt. This challenges yourself to something that's just beyond your normal comfort zone. Pick something you'd like to do if only you had more confidence, okay? Surround yourself with positivity, Confidence is contagious. And the people you surround yourself which can significantly impact your own self-assurance, okay? Set achievable goals. Setting realistic goals creates a clear pathway to success while preventing a feelings of overwhelm or inadequacy of a realistic goal. Achieve. Wag naman over kasi baka mamaya tayo din na ma-downheart. Okay? It's very important to think positive. One of the things I learned when I started running about 2 years ago, what thought replace negative thoughts, okay? You can shape it by regularly working to shape the way you think, okay, about yourself. A simple way to develop positive is to spend more time focusing on your strength. Yes. And last but not the least is be kind and generous. This may sound trite and a bit silly, but acts kindness have powerful effect on your confidence. Yes. If you're kind and generous to other people, of course. If you feel good, you do. If you do good, you feel good. And if you feel good, dyan mag-i-start talaga yung feeling of confidence ng isang tao. And it's what we call this, it's contagious. So I hope you learned something from this video, guys. And you would love to like and subscribe and share. Okay, so bye and thanks for watching. Love you all. This is Pearl, your overconfident mom. Bye and thank you.